Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how I do my summer makeup slash normal everyday makeup. So if you are curious how I do it, then keep on watching. So the first thing I do is put my hair back because otherwise it is going to get in my face. And then I use like this Clinique sample thingy I got. I honestly don't even know what it is because I am not an expert at makeup in any way. I just put that on my eyelids as kind of like a primer. And then also underneath my eyelids because I have not slept in like 8 years. So. Then I'm using my CoverGirl palette, and this is like Naturals, and I'm putting on the lightest shade and doing that on both of my eyelids. I really like in the summer to try and keep it like as natural as possible, so this is kind of like my go-to thing. So then what I'll do is put kind of like a darker color in the corner and blend that in. I'm not a beauty guru, like please do not come for me. I don't know how to actually do makeup. So I'll also put like a darker one in the corner too and blend that as well. Basically just pray that it works. And then I'm using like this shimmery color kind of towards the front of the eye. This just kind of makes it look more extra, so you know. I'm also putting some of the darker underneath my eye to make it look even more like I haven't slept in 8 years. Then I'm curling my lashes and putting on some CoverGirl mascara, which I love. It literally is perfect. So then for my eyebrows, I'm just using eyeshadow literally to just darken them up a little bit because I feel like my eyebrows are already pretty dark and thick, so then I'm just adding some highlighter because why not, you know. I also added a little bit of bronzer in like the corners of my cheekbones. What? And then as for lipstick, I've been using Burt's Bees because it is amazing. And then that's literally the look. So there you go, 10 out of 10 would recommend.